Hey guys, this is Lucky. This is after almost 6 weeks. I wanted to upload this video to tell you what is the progress I'm seeing on my hair using this no shampoo, no conditioner washing, right? So I know many of you already know a couple of videos I started uploading from last 6 weeks and why I'm doing this. But just to refresh, if anybody is new on this, what I was doing is, when I had my hair fall issue started and the hair is everywhere, even I was so afraid to comb, I was so afraid to wash my hair, so I started using the natural way of cleaning the hair, that means using the Rita powder and also Shikakai powder. Okay, I think Telugulo kunkudukai and Shikai. Okay, ee rendu combination I started using. So what I do, right, the whole week normally how I do is I just put some oil, that is also homemade oil, and the other thing, right, the onion oil, I'll make it at home. I'll be sharing that recipe also right now in the same video. So I'll be applying the onion oil all over the hair and do the massage every day. Okay, just every day I'll do the hair massage. Then at 5th or 6th day I will keep some hair pack. I mean, it does not need to be anything fancy. Whatever you feel like, whatever you want. If anything, you can add egg base. I think that's more protein to the hair, guys. So I'll be applying that hair pack and then followed by my hair wash using the soap nut and Shikai. Okay, how you can make the preparation, right? So this is only one of the technique you have to know. Washing with soap nut and Shikai must be done using the hot water. Okay, make sure your hair is wet before you try this. Hair is wet using the hot water. Okay, then I'll be sharing the how I'll prepare that soap nut and Shikai powder. I'll just crush them and put it in a hot water for 4 to 5 hours before I wash my hair, so that it will give that that foamy texture, right? Make sure you are using the hot water only. So when you have that foamy texture, I'll put it on my hair and then try to rub it all over my hair until you see that foam texture. Then your hair will be very clean. I'm not putting any conditioner right now. If you see, I don't have any conditioners on my hair. It's only the Shikai will make it more smoother. And if you use only soap nut, right, that makes your hair very rough. That is for sure. So soap nut alone you cannot use with soap nut and Shikai powder by mixing the same quantity. And I'll be sharing couple of products what I'm using personally on the Amazon store. I know you might be thinking that I might get commission. Of course, yes, but it's very, very small, minute. It does not make me rich, but I am personally using these products. I am sharing. It's up to you. You wanted to use or look for any other alternative. But what I can suggest you right now, please stop using the shampoo and conditioners if you see any hair fall or if you want to take control of your hair care, guys. This is my experience for the last 6 weeks. And the onion oil, right? Onion oil is a homemade oil I am doing right now. If you don't have any time, if you don't have time to prepare, or you cannot bear that oiliness on the head for all days, start using any serum based on onion. Onion has a sulfur in it, so that it will help your hair growth and hair loss to stop. So that's why we have to use the onion based product. Okay, that is also I'm recommending some right now, but it's purely up to you what you wanted to do. But the third thing, these are only external things, right? Third thing is you have to take care of your vitamins. Okay, the food is also directly proportional to our health issues, especially the hair, eyes, skin, or whatever, right? So the third one is start taking multivitamin. I was taking multivitamin Centrum and all, but very not regular. But what I have done very recently, from in last 3 weeks, I started switching to one of the herbal supplement. Okay, one of the herbal multivitamin supplement which has fenugreek, sea moss, and ashwagandha, and all those beautiful vitamin C and it's a completely a multi mineral component base, and it's very safe to use also. So I started taking that multivitamin to balance my nutrients. Okay, and I think many of you already know that I started working out from last 2 weeks. Like I started some 6 weeks program for myself to take care of my health, my whatever, my muscle or my toning or whatever, right, to get my stamina back. If you guys really interested, just look for a couple of videos, and I'll be uploading final video after 6 weeks what I have achieved or what I didn't achieve. Okay, but I see the difference in my energy levels and all. So coming back to the hair care thing, right, don't use only soapnut. That makes your hair so brittle, it won't give any soft texture. Shikai makes it a conditioning agent, so that you have to use both together. And the other advice I can throw based on my 6 weeks experience, try to use, I think, the as is Shikai and soapnut, like the raw as is, the raw round ones, right? That's more economic way I feel. If you use the powder base, right, I think it's taking like a very larger quantity to make a wash. So that is other difference I see, guys. And thanks for tuning on this channel, and I'll be uploading couple more videos on my 6 weeks journey. If any of you interested or any of you feel that this is a little motivating for you, please do comment and subscribe or share with your friends, and that will be helpful for me and for you too. But thank you so much for watching, and take care of you, your health and your family health. Thank you. Bye bye.